Good evening. Good evening. Please join in. Welcome to Maitri Beads. This is Mrs. Archana Singh from Gurugram. One of the pre-Diwali lives. Can't see anybody. Please, somebody write and say you can see me, hear me. My audio, video, all okay. Check. I can see somebody. Good evening to you. So today's live is another short live for half an hour. Yardages and more yardages. So it's going to be interesting, quick live. Let me just pass on the links. Yes, I can see people. Welcome to Maitri Bees. My number, please connect more people to my number 93196777133. All the payments to be made on this number. All online payment modes are acceptable except for COD. Hi Neelam ma'am, so glad to see your name flashing. Just let me pass on the links to you all. 1 minute. How is everybody? You can tell me. जब लाइव छोटा होता है तो देयर इज टाइम भाग रहा होता है. नीलम मैम कैसे हैं आप? जस्ट 1 मिनट. एक बार लिंक चले जाएगा तो देन एवरीबडी कैन ज्वाइन इन. सो दिवाली का सारी प्रेपरेशन तो हो गई होगी या? Pre-Diwali days are very, very hectic, but I don't know how many people are going out because pollution इतनी जबरदस्त हो रही है. But festivities cannot stop. That has to go on. Just give me a minute. One link is gone. तब तक आप मुझे ये लिख के बता सकते हैं my audio video is clear and you can tell me where are you watching me from if you're watching me for the first time. I think the links have gone. Just check. Everybody has got. चलिए बस अब आज का लाइव शुरू करते हैं. And it's going to be very interesting live because what I brought today, you're all going to require it during the winter season. और बहुत सारी yardages हैं and it's going to be fun. Simrita, hi, good evening. Divya ma'am, good evening. चलिए शुरू करते हैं because people can even watch the recorded live. Half an hour का time है and it's going to be very interesting live. I can already see 11 eyes, or otherwise you can rewind and see the video. Love what you're wearing. Yes ma'am, this is also Divya ma'am, this is also from yardages. जो भी uneven बच जाता है वो मेरे लिए हो जाता है. So this shirt is also one of the cut pieces that were left, and this is my stole which I've already showcased. So that's how the whole ensemble was designed. I think 5 minutes have elapsed. मुझे लग रहा all लोग join कर ले. Anu ma'am, so nice to see you. Good evening. Join in, people, join in fast. So let me give you the description. Today I'm going to showcase 3 kinds of yardages. The first is mushroom. I think everybody knows about mushroom. Mushroom is very, very apt fabric for winters. ये थोड़ी सी thick होती है. The layer that touches the skin is all cotton और ऊपर से इसमें भी sheen होती है just like modal. Modal से ये थोड़ा heavy रहता है. You can actually wear it during summers also, but summer में हम नहीं पहनते because anything which is thick, we all know how harsh the summers are. Otherwise, the cloth is absolutely skin friendly. और winters के लिए like November, December, Jan, Feb के लिए this is like a boon. इसको पहन के आप इतना comfortable feel करेंगे. आप इसको long kurtas with full sleeves, loose वाला जो Afghani sleeves, या or these days quad set, you can buy same on same quad set, or you can buy meterage for your dresses. आप कुछ भी बनवाइए. Mushroom is a boon kind of a fabric for winters, for the coming months. Otherwise summer में भी हम इसको पहन सकते हैं. So let me start. I have about 10 options in mushroom first segment, 450 rupees per meter, which I think is a very good price. Again, as I tell you every time, please, you can compare and then let me know also on my WhatsApp number. You can chat with me, you can tell me. I also request you every time you write your, what you would like to see. Mukta ji, good evening. Gurpreet, so nice to see you. So 450 rupees per meter, और आप इसको कैसे ले सकते हैं? You cannot buy less than 2 meters. So what we have decided, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 मीटर के थान आएंगे. जो यार्डेज आ रही है वो 6 मीटर की आ रही है. मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग जिसमें कम होगा, I will let you know. And the bonanza is there are no shippings. First of all, that's the pre-Diwali kind of little deal, you can say, or you can say hamper. And anybody who picks up the entire lot, अगर आप पूरा 6 meters उठा रहे हैं तो हम उस पे भी आपको 100 rupees का discount देंगे, which is a very good deal, a steal deal. Why we are doing it? Because we want to share our happiness with you, and Diwali is all about sharing and sharing your happiness. So I think I'm clear. Mushroom fabrics is the first segment. You can buy in the meterage of 2, 2.5, 3, not 3.5, 4, 5, and complete 6 meter. 450 is per meter, no shippings, and that's how. Now we are good to go. इसका span काफी बड़ा है, बहुत चौड़े वाला इसका जिसको बोलते हैं पन्ना है. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. किसी भी बॉडी शेप, कोई भी बॉडी टाइप, कोई भी हाइट में अच्छा सा स्मार्ट सा कुर्ता आप डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. अनुराधा जी, गुड इवनिंग. चलिए, पहला फर्स्ट फैब्रिक मैं पूरा खोल के नहीं दिखाऊंगी, वो पूरी खुल जाती है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक चार्ज. देखिए, पहला बहुत ही पास से लेके आऊंगी सो दैट यू कैन क्लिक अ पिक्चर. रस्ट एंड ग्रीन का कॉम्बिनेशन है, वेरी प्रिटी. ये बूटास एक्चुअली ऐसे आएंगे. The flowers will come like this. बहुत स्मार्ट है. इसमें एक शीन है और इसका मैं रिवर्स साइड भी दिखा देती हूँ. It's all cotton. Just see, it is absolutely cotton. Very, very skin friendly. Ronila, good to see you. Just see. This is your first fabric. इसको आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए या मशरूम फर्स्ट लिख दीजिए. I will understand. So 450 rupees per meter. Minimum you can buy is 2 meter. इसके ब्लाउजेस भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं विंटर्स में. For any party or weddings, when you go in winters and you feel cold, पूरा इसका full sleeves का अच्छा सा ब्लाउज बनवाइए. And long वाला, for that you require at least, I think 2 मीटर तो चाहिए ही होगा उसके लिए. 2 नहीं तो 1.5 तो चाहिए होगा, but we are not giving 1.5, we are not giving 1.5. So 2, you can decide, you can buy more. That's what I have done. I have paired 2, 3 mushroom blouses with plain sarees, and believe me, they look very good. Second, I have some dupattas also. Now what happened, luckily some of my dupatta blocks matched with these, so I will show you. I have not showcased those dupattas. मैं वो dupattas का live separately भी करूंगी, but जो 2-3 dupattas बिल्कुल perfectly match हो रहे हैं, I will show you just now. In case कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, we get lucky, पूरा सूट बन जाता है. You just buy fabric for shirt, दुपट्टा है, and जो बॉटम्स होते हैं वो तो हमारे यूनिवर्सल कलर्स आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल इन आवर वार्डरोब. सेकंड वन, ब्लैक. ये मेरा खुल गया है थोड़ा पीस, सो बेयर विद दिस. इनफैक्ट गुड फॉर यू, यू कैन सी नाइसली. ये ब्लैक वाला इसका ब्लॉक देखिए, वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट ब्लॉक, वेरी इंट्रिकेट and neatly. They're all hand done pieces. ये hand blocked अजरक है. This is not screen printing. See, so this is the black one. और इसके साथ I'll show you, luckily I have a similar दुपट्टा. Similar in the sense, similar block. Black color में थोड़ा सा difference आ रहा है. ये jet black है, and this is the base color is hardly visible. I'll show you still how the effect will look for one. जो दुपट्टे मुझे मिल गए, so I thought why not showcase. Otherwise इन दुपट्टों का लाइव अलग होगा. इनका प्राइस इज 1500. दे आर विदाउट द टिश्यू. जस्ट सी, बहुत ही मजेदार सा बड़ा सा दुपट्टा है. सो दिस इज जस्ट इन केस. यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप एंड आई कैन गिव यू मोर ऑप्शन. आई हैव मेनी दुपट्टास लाइक दिस, मेनी मल्टीपल्स. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज जस्ट टू शोकेस दैट you could be lucky to design a complete suit set with this. So this was your second mushroom fabric. Number 2, it's gone. The third one is a nice chiku color, very, very pretty chiku color. I'm not going to open. I'll try not to open unless it opens on its own. People, please write something. You like it? Is it clear? Just see. कितना सुंदर सा block है. Hi Mukta ji. Nice you wrote hello to me. Just see. This is chiku color with maroon color. Very, very smart body block. Right? So you can buy 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5 or complete 6. If you buy complete meterage, 100 rupees off on over and above, no shipping. I think it's a very good deal. All-time favorite, indigo. These imperfections are a part of the process. And in fact, they make ajrak and hand-done pieces more lovable. So a lot of people ask for indigo. So this is one of the indigos, or maybe the only one, right? So this is the third one. We'll go a little fast. I have lots to show today. Similar kind in maroon, very rich. Similar बिल्कुल block है maroon में. देखिए कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. Just see. Just see, you can take a clear shot. Meenu ma'am, good evening. कैसे हो आप? बहुत दिन के बाद. I think you're busy with Diwali, pre-Diwali shopping. Just see. Tabassum ji, good evening. I'm reading your name for the first time. Hearty welcome. Next is green. This is the sixth one. देखिए कितना vibrant है ये. Green and yellow is very vibrant. I have one in this. अच्छा सा इसका कुर्ता बनवाइए, full sleeves का, loose sleeves, you know. You can even wear a nice insider for mild winters of December and you are good to go. Just see. The price for this is 450 rupees per meter and the minimum you can buy is 2 meters. उसके बाद आप 2, 2.5, 3, 4 और 5 और ये पूरा थान is 6. अगर आप पूरा 6 लेते हैं, I'm new to your page. Yeah, welcome ma'am. Sunita Sharma, good evening ma'am. अगर आप ये पूरा उठाते हैं, so we'll give you 100 rupees off over and above free shipping. Another one, next one is maroon, which is 7. Very, very pretty. इसके साथ भी मेरे पास दुपट्टा है. I'll just show you. It just so happened. ये एकदम लक से है कि मेरे पास दुपट्टों पे भी यही ब्लॉक अभी बनकर आए हैं. So that is why. Otherwise, उन दुपट्टों का live will be done separately. Just see. Just see. और इसमें बहुत सारे pieces हैं. I can mix and match these dupattas for you later on also. So this is the next one. Then we have number 8. Yeah, number 8 is another very pretty rust, reddish rust. I don't know what to call this. ये भी बहुत सुंदर और इतना छोटा ब्लॉक है, बहुत प्यारा लगेगा. Yeah, please save up booking number and spread this number in your friend and families. And मैंने आपको link भी सबको send किया. आप मेरे link को भी अपने genuine friends के group में send कर सकते हैं. That's how we will get more outreach through you. Rashi ji, good evening. The price is 450 rupees per meter and the minimum you can buy is 2 meters. और अगर आप पूरा 6 लेते हैं तो आपको 100 rupees off और कोई shipping नहीं है. That is the little happiness we are sharing with you. That's Diwali Bonanza. Next one is another very pretty one. सबका favorite yellow और block. देखिए कितना smart है. Yellow and green. Very, very pretty. Just see. बहुत ही स्मार्ट है और इसका इतना बड़ा स्पैन होता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा सा कुर्ता रेडी हो जाता है. You can wear these with plain bottoms. You can get quad sets, same on same. These days, whatever is trending, we must try that. So these days, quad sets are in and they will look very good. The same on same fabric, right? Then the 10th one is another very pretty maroon. You can click a clearer picture. your kind of yellow. No, Divya, I also drool on yellows, and actually don't ask about me. मुझे सारे ही colors इतने अच्छे लगते हैं, but yellow ranks one of the top in my charts. So this is another maroon with very pretty छोटा वाला hand block. It will look very good. So we are basically done. एक मेरे पास piece है. I don't know who will get lucky. ये 2.5 मीटर ही बचा है. ये भी बहुत smart है. So और हम इसको पूरा measure करेंगे. If it is little less than 2.5 also, we will let you know and we will charge you only according to that. In fact, we will give you the benefit rather than getting the benefit towards us. So this was the last piece. It is only half. Acha, another thing I wanted to share was plain modals. Now plain modals are a big hit. वो शोकेस करने से पहले ही चले जाते हैं. प्लेन मोडाल को आप बॉटम में सेम ऑन सेम टॉप सूट्स के लिए आई हैव कपल ऑफ सूट्स एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी हाईली यूटिलिटेरियन बिकॉज आप उनके साथ कोई भी दुपट्टा करिए यू आर गुड टू गो. जो मैंने आज भी यार्डेजेस दिखाई हैं आप उनके साथ भी मैच कर सकते हैं. यू विल सी ऑन योर ओन. इफ यू वांट वी कैन show some of them again to pair up. Another thing, some people buy 5.5 of that plain modal and they make a sari. So with a printed blouse, they wear a plain sari of modal and it's very smart. Now this plain modal is 380 rupees per meter. This throat is all, doing of the atmosphere outside. I'm sure a lot of people are suffering from this. Quinsy throat because of the pollution, can't help it. So 380 rupees per meter and no shipping again. इस डील पे आपको ये नहीं मिलेगा. इसको हम कैसे दे रहे हैं? वी आर गिविंग 2.5, 5 and 5.5. वी आर नॉट गिविंग क्योंकि कट करने में बहुत मुश्किल होगा. 2.5, 5 and 5.5 if somebody wants to make a sari. So the first one, which is all time favorite, is this ivory one. This is the ivory color, 380 rupees per meter, and the cuts of 2.5, 5 and 5.5 in case anybody wishes to make a sari out of it. The next one is a very pretty rose pink red color. ये pinkish red है. देखिए, I can't see any comments coming. Are we so engrossed, or we getting bored, or I don't know what. You will tell me what. So this is that pinkish red वाला है. इसके भी मेरे पास है meterage काफी है. So 380 rupees per meter. Hope my number is clear. And I pinned my number also. Just check, is my number pinned? 9319677133. Then another one is this black. इसका तो आपको मालूम ही है. The lesser I say, the better it is. क्योंकि black तो सबको चाहिए होता है. पूरा सूट, साड़ी, bottoms, shirts सबको चाहिए रहता है. So this is the black yardage of modal. बहुत अच्छा इसमें flow होता है. The fall on your body. What I'm wearing is all modal. That is so good that it just brings the best of us. The next one, the next one is this ochre yellow. It's very pretty. Divya, thank you for keeping my spirits high. So this is a all-time favorite color, and see if you match it with this. देखिए अगर आप इसको इसके साथ मैच करेंगे, मतलब you want the full suit. मेरे पास तो इसके full suits है, but if you want only bottom and you want to match it with this, or you want to make a sari, so that choice is yours. So next one, I'm forgetting the numbers. I think आप वैसे भी number नहीं भेजते हैं. Next one is this olive green kind of a shade. Yeah, we can make lowers with modal, ma'am. Modal में इतनी warmth नहीं होगी, but मैं तो सारे lowers I'm wearing one. The one I'm wearing is also modal. It's very comfortable. You get pockets done, and the whole complete quad set is of modals. So this is the next one. It's a olive green kind of a shade. Then we have this navy blue. I have more cuts in this. Navy blue जैसा color, मतलब इसको आप कौन सा color बोलेंगे? What you're seeing on camera is the same what is in front of me. Now there are two different variants of modal. They are known as satin modal. These are also actually, this is expensive, but today we are giving for same price. But this has a lot of sheen. Maybe you call it shine, but ये बहुत smart लगता है. You know, especially winters में आप imagine करिए आप इसका कुर्ता बना के थोड़ा सा उस पे work करवा लें, or maybe dress it up with laces and all that. It becomes a very dressy thing. So I have two shades in this. This is called satin modal. It is expensive than usual, but today it is 380 only. This is peachish color, right? And the last one here is golden. ये भी बहुत smart लगता है. मेरे पास इतना ही रह गया है. You can imagine why. Lot of people pick up this. Some people say it's good for lowers. कोई कहता है कि मैम टॉप में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इसके ऊपर embroidery का every color just looks fabulous. ठीक है? So I'm done. इनके साथ आप प्लेन दुपट्टा को भी जब पेयर करोगे, प्लेन मोडाल के साथ they look so pretty. Like, imagine ivory shade. I'll just show you one. Supposing you imagine complete suit of ivory. I have one. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Ivory is very highly utilitarian color also. Summers में तो ये color आप ऐसे सूट को आपको लगता है every third day आप ये color पहन ले. So if you have this color suit and you dress it up with the dupatta like this, just imagine. These dupattas are just, as I told you, just matching by chance. इनकी showcasing मैं दोबारा करूंगी because सबके blocks अलग हैं और इतने सारे हैं. So it will not be good if I do not do the showcasing again. Just see पूरा suit आपका. Just imagine, right? You change the entire look. Hi Uma ma'am, you are hibernating these days. The weather is such like, a lot of people not well, and the strange thing is हमारा इतना बड़ा festival इस time पे आता है. Anyway, not to dampen the spirit, we will all celebrate it well and good. Maybe children learn the lesson, they'll not burst crackers, not many, and we will do it in the right earnest. Now the next segment, I have 10 minutes, is, printed modals. Now printed modals, printed means hand block printed. Hi Madhu ji, कैसे हैं आप? बहुत दिन बाद नजर आए. ये जो hand block printed modals है ये, these are not a common finding. Hi Sangeeta, how lovely to see you. So and this is done by a very good artist. So these are rare. Maybe you've not seen these blocks before. Now before I showcase the instruction for this is that आप इसकी पहली दो wash, either you go for a dry wash, but if you find that's very expensive proposition for a normal wear thing, then you just give it a water wash with a lot of salt. जी हाँ, केवल पानी में धो दीजिए इनको salt के साथ. एंड थर्ड वॉश में bucket wash gentle, इनको dip नहीं करना है, नहीं तो इनमें से ज्यादा color discharge हो जाएगा. And then you will say what is this? So I'm giving you instruction beforehand. Now these are 600 rupees per meter, and we are not giving less than 2.2 meters. So 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 5, whatever is available with us. Now this is my first. It's such a pretty thing. 600 rupees per meter. देखिए ये पहला color है. इसको क्या बोलेंगे आप? Which blue is this? I don't know. Indigo भी नहीं है. It's such a pretty English blue color with light blue and white, right? So this is my first yardage. इसका भी span is pretty wide. So no need to worry कि हमारा body type ये है. So will we be able to get this thing stitched? इसके साथ another piece I have to show it together because you can mix and match also. This is batik, Ajrak batik. Just see. So you can get top with this and a bottom with this, or if you love stripes, top with this, or same on same for a quad set. Choices yours, right? And this is the first and second one. Third is only 2.5 meters. You have to be lucky. क्यों है ये 2.5? I don't have to tell you. इसके सारे चले गए. They are very, very smart, right? So this is the black beauty with the jharokhas. Just see. Very, very smart. This is 2.5 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही होगा, but even if it is more, we're going to charge you only for 2.5. You can see how intricately done blocks. इसमें झरोखास run कर रहे हैं. Just see. I'm sure you can see that and appreciate the beauty. These are all hand done Ajrak hand block printing. I've given you the washing instruction. Next one is a very pretty peach. People get saris out of this also. Like ये 5.5 मीटर का है तो इसकी पूरी साड़ी भी बन सकती है. Otherwise ये ऐसे आएगा लंबी stripes में. Very very pretty and a delicate feminine kind of a color. Just see. Very nice. इसका flow देखिए. You know, this is how many layers and still just see. Pretty, and it's the rear side is cotton, right? The next one is a chevron blue, another very different blue. See, this is chevron pattern running. Just see, very different blue. You could pair this with the bottom I showed you. Blue wala jo tha, uske saath hi chala jayega aaram se, or with an ivory bottom, ivory plain dupatta, or whichever way. These days, a lot of people don't, feel like draping a dupatta. They feel more comfortable. So the kurtas are designed in such a way that you feel more comfortable and liberated. Next, very pretty brown with leaves. ये सारा मार्बलिंग इफेक्ट है. सम पीपल थिंक कि ये ब्लैक कलर कैसे आ गया इसके ऊपर. मैम, दिस इज ऑल द इफेक्ट्स द आर्टिजन इज गिवन, राइट? सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पीस, ब्राउन विद व्हाइट लीव्स. ये भी आइवरी बॉटम के साथ बहुत स्मार्ट लगेगा. You can even get, take some extra, get an anarkali or one-piece dresses or shirts. Why go only for Indian outfits? Get a shirt or a top or a skirt. I'll show you next time. I've got a jacket sort of a top for winters and a straight skirt. Of course, that requires lining, but it looks very nice. This is another peach with blue. Ruchi ji, kaise hai? Good evening to you. With this kind of a thing. जस्ट सी, पास से देखिए, पूरा ये मार्बलिंग इफेक्ट है, ये क्रिएट किया जाता है. ठीक है, इसमें से कलर डिस्चार्ज होगा. So you have to give it a water wash with lots of salt first 2 times, or better is take it for a dry wash and subsequently bucket wash only with a very mild detergent. Next one is this very pretty, iska bhi dupatta, I'm not saying dupatta, you can get a sari out of this. Honeycomb structure, बहुत smart piece है. So you can imagine, mera to favorite hoga hi, goes without saying, right? I don't have to even say that. Just see whether you were taking it as a suit or a dress, or you drape it as a sari. So this is a very very pretty piece. Okay, and the last one in today's collection, we are actually running against time, is this blue. ये इतना ही बचा. I think ये 2.5 meters ही होगा. You can check it out. And as I am repeating, जो कपड़ा थोड़ा भी कम होगा, उसका जो discount or whatever will go towards you, right? We will try to reduce it more. And that's about it for today. Let me quickly tell you, today I showcased Mashru yardages. The price was 450 rupees per meter, and the minimal you could buy was 2, then 2.5 and all that. Then was plain modal, 380 rupees, 2.5, 5 and 5.5. Then abhi jo dikhaya, these are printed modal ajrak hand block pieces, 600 rupees per meter. Aaj ke liye koi shipping nahi. This is free Diwali happiness sharing live. So I think I'm done for today, and I think I'll see you now most probably after Diwali. So Shubh Deepavali, aap sab khush rahe, God may sprinkle happiness, good health on everybody, all the families, may the kids, may the family members, everybody to stay happy, healthy. So Shubh Deepavali, and I take your leave. Bye, ladies. Try to percolate my number as much as possible. That's what you can do for me. Bye-bye.